How to tag everyone on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Facebook app on your device. Log into your account. Now tap what's on your mind at top of the screen and simply you need to first tap only me and choose your friends to public. Now tap on down button. After that you need to tap what's on your mind and type in add. And from your list, you can easily see highlights. Tap on highlights and also again tap on add and here you can easily mention the friends given here one by one. And by doing so, none of these friends will be left to be mentioned on Facebook application. Even if you see everyone, you can easily tap on everyone and then tag everyone on Facebook directly. So in this way, you can easily tap on the next button at top right and they will be tagged on Facebook. So that's how we tag everyone on Facebook. I hope this guide worked. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.